Hello students, we are revising the types of angles, and in previous video we have revised that the angles between 0 degree and 90 degree are called acute angle, and 72 degree is an example of acute angle, right? And the angles which lie between 90 degree and 180 degree. So such type of angles are called obtuse angles. ऐसे angles जिनका measure 90 degree and 180 degree के बीच में होता है, that are called obtuse angles. An example is 136 degree. It lies between 90 degree and 180 degree. And the angle which is exactly equal to 90 degree is called right angle. And the angle whose measure is equal to 180 degree is called a straight angle because ये एक straight line draw करता है. So these are the angles, types of angles you can see based on the degree measures. And now an angle whose measure is equal to 0 degree is called zero angle. So ऐसा एंगल जो इक्वल टू 0 डिग्री होगा that is called a zero angle. So now in this worksheet we have to measure the following angles and verify them as acute, obtuse, right or straight angle. So we have just learned what are acute, obtuse, right and straight angle. So here we have to measure these angles first, right? So we have to measure with the help of protractor, and the measures are already written because this we have already done. So this angle is of 45 degree. So you know that it lies between 0 degree and 90 degree. So 0 and 90 degree के बीच में जो angles होते हैं that are called acute angle. Similarly here its measure is 90 degree. So angle which is equal to 90 degree, that is called a right angle. क्या बोलते हैं? Right angle. And then the measure of this angle is 120 degree. So this lies between 90 degree and 120 degree. So 90 and 180 degree के बीच में जो lie करते हैं, those are called obtuse angle. And this is again of 45 degree. So it is an acute angle. Then this is 90 degree right angle, 120 degree obtuse angle, again 120 degree obtuse angle, and here its measure is 180 degree. So it is a straight angle. So based on the degree measure, these are the angles. Now draw the angles as per their types. So you have to draw the angles. The names are given x, y, z. So draw a right angle that is equal to 90 degree. You have to draw an angle of 90 degree because right angle क्या होता है? 90 degree का angle. Draw and name it x, y, z. An acute angle. So you can draw any angle which lies between 0 and 90 degree. Why? Because acute angle is mentioned here. So PQR acute angle. So you can draw an angle of measure between 0 and 90 degree. Similarly, straight angle. So straight angle, you know, whose measure is equal to 180 degree. That is a straight angle. So don't forget to name the angle. जो ये आपको given name है यही आपने mention करना है. And then obtuse angle and again right angle. Obtuse angle which lies between 90 and 180 degree. So do practice of constructing the angles, and then the brain teasers, very important because you know that in exam 10 marks is of multiple choice questions. So do all these MCQs. So try to understand them carefully. So the angle made between the hands of a clock at 2 o'clock is a dash angle. So here the we have already drawn the hands of a clock. So 2 o'clock, so यहाँ पर 2 o'clock short hand and long hand is at 12. So which type of angle these two hands are forming? So these are forming, it is less than 90 degree, so it is an acute angle. So these two hands of a clock form an acute angle. Now there are dash straight angles in a right angle. So there are dash right angles. कितने right angles हैं एक straight angle में? So straight angle means 180 degree, right angles mean 90 degree. So 180 degree में कितने 90 degree होते हैं? So you can see here 2 90 degree are there in 180. So there are two right angles. कितने right angles होंगे? Two right angles in a straight angle. The two rays forming an angle are called the dash of the angle. So you know that two rays makes an angle, right? So in rays को हम क्या बोलते हैं? These are called the arms of the angles. क्या बोलते हैं इनको हम? Arms of the angle. And an angle of measure equal to dash is an obtuse angle. So here the different measures are given: 89 degree, 91 degree, 80 degree and 81 degree. And out of these, which one is an obtuse angle? So you know that obtuse angle is an angle whose measure is between 90 and 180 degree. So इनमें से कौन सा है जो 90 और 180 degree के बीच में लाई करता है? That is 91. 89 is less than 90 degree, 80 is again less than 90 degree, and 81 is also less than 90 degree. Next is sum of four angles of a rectangle is equal to dash degrees. So we know that in a rectangle all the angles are of 90 degree. सारे angles कितने डिग्री के होते हैं? 90 डिग्री के. So what is the sum of four angles of rectangle? So 90 को हम क्या करेंगे? 4 times ऐड करेंगे, बिकॉज जो सारे एंगल्स है रेक्टेंगल के वो कितने हैं? 90 90 90 90. सो ऐड 90 4 टाइम्स और मल्टीप्लाई 90 बाय 4. सो 9 4 ज़ा 36, तो 360 डिग्री, राइट? बिकॉज इसको दोबारा से समझ लेंगे. सम ऑफ फोर एंगल्स ऑफ रेक्टेंगल, तो रेक्टेंगल के हर एक एंगल जो होता है वो कितने डिग्री का होता है? 90 डिग्री का होता है. सो 90 डिग्री, ये भी 90 है, ये भी 90 है, ये भी 90 है और ये भी 90 डिग्री है. सारे ये 90 डिग्री के हैं. तो अगर हम इन सबको ऐड कर देंगे तो 90 प्लस 90 प्लस 90 प्लस 90, सो दैट इज 360 डिग्री. फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. एन एंगल has dash vertex and dash arms. So you can see here this is an angle. So how many vertex are there? That is, there is only one vertex. एक ही कोना होता है. And how many arms are there? 1 2 2 arms, right? A 75 degree angle is an dash angle. So किस टाइप का एंगल है 75 डिग्री? That is an acute angle. Why? Because it lies between 0 and 90 degree. 0 से ज्यादा है, 90 से कम है. So this is an acute angle. Each angle of a rectangle is, we have just discussed, each angle of a rectangle is 90 degrees. हर एक एंगल कितने का होता है? 90 डिग्री का होता है रेक्टेंगल का. And there are dash angles in a square. So you can see here a square. And how many angles are there in a square? 1 2 3 4. So there are 4 angles in a square. And then there are 3 angles, dash angles in a triangle. So name ही triangle है. Tri means 3 angles. So triangle में कितने angles होते हैं? 3 angles. And an angle equal to 180 degree is called a straight angle. So we have learned 180 degree के equal जो angle होता है, that is called a straight angle. And draw the following angles of any measure. So आप कोई भी एंगल ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं, एक्यूट, ऑब्ट्यूज, राइट, स्ट्रेट, एनी एंगल. द ओनली थिंग यू हैव टू नेम इट. नेम प्रॉपरली देंगे AOB. सो O कहाँ पर आएगा हमारा वर्टेक्स पे. जो हमारा मिडल लेटर होता है वो कहाँ आता है, वर्टेक्स पे. सो ये आप इसको प्रॉपरली नेम करेंगे. नेक्स्ट इज हाउ मेनी एंगल्स आर देयर इन द फॉलोइंग फिगर. काउंट द नंबर ऑफ एंगल्स. तो 1 2 3 4 5. एंड सिमिलरली हेयर 1 2 3. ये एंगल हो गया. एक ट्राइंगल ये है तो इसके 3 एंगल्स, और एक ट्राइंगल ये है 3 एंगल्स, 6. एंड देन दिस कंप्लीट एंगल, इसको भी अगर हम रेक्टेंगल का लेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा बिग एंगल. सो this one 7 and this 8. And draw a line segment PQ of length 6 cm. 6 cm की लाइन सेगमेंट ड्रॉ करेंगे. एट P ड्रॉ एन एंगल ऑफ 60 डिग्री. सो एक लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे PQ एंड फ्रॉम पॉइंट P ड्रॉ एन एंगल ऑफ 60 डिग्री. सो 60 डिग्री का एंगल आपने ड्रॉ करना है, राइट. और ये कितनी होनी चाहिए PQ की लेंथ, 6 centimeter, right. Construct the following angles. So you can draw these angles with the help of protractor. And now here look at the given figure and answer the following. How many acute angles are there? So here the measures of all the angles are given. It is not given but we have measured earlier. So इनको measure करके हमने इनके angles लिखे हैं. So how many acute angles are there? So less than 90 degree कौन कितने angles हैं? There is only one angle which is less than 90 degree, that is 65 degree. How many obtuse angles are there? So more than 90 degrees, 92 degree and 115 degree. So 2 obtuse angles are there. How many right angles? So there is only one right angle. What is right angle? Which is equal to 90 degree. Is angle ABC an acute angle? So ABC is an acute angle? No. Why? Because it is 115 degrees more than 90 degree. So this is not an acute angle. An angle DCB. DCB means DCB. C पे vertex DCB is equal to 90 degrees. And the last question. Here the letters are given and you have to name the number of acute angles, number of obtuse angles, number of right angles. You have to count in these letters. So you can count these and we have already filled this table. So in next video we will start the revision of next unit. Thank you.